Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. This is the card we're making today. You can sign it back here. Okay, let me give you the measurements. Lemon lime twist that measures 8.5 by 5.5, and a scrap for this circle. 2 pieces of Gingham Gala Designer Series paper that measure 5.25 by 1.75. You need 2 of those. 2 pieces of Whisper White that measure 5.25 by 2, and then a scrap of regular Whisper White. Okay, so let me get the Simply Scored scoring tool, and we'll score the Lemon Lime Twist cardstock. Okay, I'm going to score this at 2 3 1/8. Turn it and score it again, 2 3 1/8. If you saw my video on Facebook, I did give the wrong scoring measurement. So the correct measurement is 2 3 1/8. So that 3 measurement was wrong previously. Okay, so here's our card. So we're going to fold it just like that. Okay. Then our Designer Series paper is going to go on these panels like that. And then the thick Whisper White is going to go here. This one's going to go on the back side. Okay, so let's go ahead and attach the Designer Series paper and get my liquid glue out. This time I'm using the larger pattern of the Gingham Gala, and like I said, it is back in stock, so yay! And it looks like a lot is back in stock, so that's good. Hopefully it should stick around until the end of the Occasions catalog. Although I do have to say that this Lemon Lime Twist color, this is one of our end colors, it is retiring this year, so I suspect that Lemon Lime Twist may sell out. I'm going to go ahead and attach the back layer, the back Whisper White. This is where you'll sign the card if you make this. Okay, so now let's stamp. We're using the So Happy Together stamp set. That's this stamp set. This is a celebration set, so you've got a few more days left to earn this stamp set for free with a $50 order. We're also using these stitch-shaped framelits. Okay, so let me get this Whisper White piece here. I'm using Memento ink. And now we're going to take the bees, but I want to leave space for my greeting, okay? So I'm going to place that there so that I don't stamp these guys in the wrong position. Okay, so I'm going to move that and then keep it there again. Okay. And let's go ahead and stamp the greeting. That way we'll have that part done. Okay, close up that ink pad. And now let's color. I'm going to start, well, let me go ahead and give you all the colors. That way we can get this part done. I'm using the combo of the Granny Apple Green, so that would be the light and the dark. I'm using the light Smoky Slate. I'm using the light Basic Black, the combo of the Mango Melody, so light and dark, and then I'm using the Stampin' Write marker, Basic Black and Smoky Slate, because I want to color in this part, and I can't do it with the blends. The tip is a little too wide, so I'm going to use the fine tip end of these markers, okay? So I'm going to move these back out of the way and just start with the light Smoky Slate. I'm going to color this section in right here. And then this part here. I may or may not fast forward. And now this is the light Basic Black. can hear Miss Bella walking upstairs. Now I'm going to take the black Stampin' Write marker. I'm going to take the fine tip and I'm going to color the centerpiece here. And then take the light smoky, or the smoky slate. There is no light or dark. And I'm just going to color this one. I don't know what these parts are called on this contraption. Okay, now we're going to take the dark Granny Apple Green. And I'm just going to outline him the same way we did when we used to color with our cut crayons and coloring books. And then I'm going to take the light Granny Apple Green and then fill in the rest. And take the light and the dark of the Mango Melody. So I'm going to start with the dark and I'm going to color his wings, or their wings, with the dark. And then I'm going to color the body with the light. Or you could do it the other way around. You could also use Daffodil Delight if you prefer. I just really want to use this really pretty Mango Melody color. It's kind of been ignored so far. Okay, so this is going to get attached right here. So I'm going to take my snail this time. We're going to cut this greeting out with a 1-inch circle punch. And I'm going to get the Big Shot real quick, and we're going to cut out this lemon lime twist circle, okay? So here's the Big Shot. Magnetic platform and a cutting pad. Okay, so let's add our greeting. I'm going to just use my liquid glue. And then I'm going to take the Gingham Gala adhesive back sequins and then a rhinestone. And then we're going to attach this to the card using a regular dimensional. So I'm just going to place it on the back. And there's our card. Isn't that pretty? Oh, wait, I forgot one step. Rewind. Just want to do a little bit of shading down there. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now it's complete, right? Okay, thanks a lot. Don't forget, there is a free PDF over on my website with the measurements and a picture. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.